Hi, in this demo, we would see how we can create VMs on the OpenStack environment. To set up the OpenStack environment, we have used a tool called DevStack, using which we can create a complete OpenStack environment on a single VM. Let us log into our OpenStack environment with the admin user. As we have signed in with the admin user, we by default get into the admin project. Let us click on the project menu here and go to the compute section. Now we'll click on overview, and as we can see, currently there are no compute instances are running, but we have some volumes and a network created. Let's click on the instances submenu here. Now we can create an instance by clicking on the launch instance button. Here we can define our instance name and give some description. We can also select the number of VMs you want to create. Let us stick with one for now. Let's go to the source now. Here we can define which image we want to use for creating our instances. Let's click on Ubuntu, and now let us go to the flavor section here, using which we can define the configuration for our VM. We'll select DS1G, which means we are going to create an instance with 1 GB RAM, 10 GB disk, and so on. Now we can click on the launch instance button, which is going to launch our instance or the VM. Our VM is now getting ready. Our VM is now in the running state. Let us click on the instance name demo here to get the more information. Here we can find different configuration and the specifications for our VM instance. We can look at the logs, console, and so on. Let's click on the console for now, using which we would connect to our VM instance with VNC. Now in the console we can see the complete Ubuntu desktop, which is coming from our instance. Let us now go back to the compute overview section. In the overview section, now we can see that we have one instance running. Let us now click on the instances submenu again. We can now select our instance and click on the delete instances button there to delete our instance. We need to confirm, and with that our instance would be deleted. So in this demo we have seen how we can create and delete instances or the VMs on OpenStack.